How to make tuned 808s in Logic using stock plugins. As you can see, I already brought up an instance of sampler in Logic, as well as an instance of tuner. We're going to need to drag our sample into this drag audio files here to create groups region. As you can see on the desktop, I already have a sample that we are going to be using. It is the PGML 808. The next step is we are going to grab that sample, the PGML 808, and drag it into the drag audio files here to create groups region. Upon dragging the sample in, we are going to tune the sample by going to the waveform and hit retune. You can see that the sample that we chose is in the note C0. We're going to want to make this playable, so we're going to need to expand the zones by multiple octaves. We're going to play a few keys on our digital keyboard to show you that it works. Since the sample was C0, and that's quite low in the keyboard, we're going to actually move it up 3 octaves and make it C3. The reason that I did this, it's going to make the sample playable in all keyboards. Let's go ahead and play C3. As you can see, it's a little flat. On the tune, we notice that it's negative 0.31 on this particular sample. So let's go ahead and change that to 0. So next time we play the sample, it will be in pitch. So once again, let's play C3 and listen. How did that make you feel? Did it excite you? Did C3 just feel a little bit low? So why don't we drop C3 an octave lower? And let's see how that makes us feel. Didn't that just make you feel happy? So we are going to complete this tutorial by playing each note chromatically for 1 octave to demonstrate we are in pitch. In this tutorial, we use the 808 sample, but this actually applies for any one shot of any instrument that you may have. So if you found this tutorial useful, hit that subscribe, hit that like, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. You can also follow Stife on Apple Music or Spotify. That's STIFE. The links are going to be left below. And if you like the records, please add us to your favorite playlists. And thank you for supporting indie artists and producers.